Yeah, Danny, you were talking also about kind of the ability to verify remotely, kind of right away when a job's done, before the invoice is paid even. You want to talk about that at all?
Yeah, absolutely. Just to kind of touch on what Spoon was saying, yeah, having the opportunity to see real-time metrics on how the system's operating. If, because I'm sure a lot of folks can speak to the fact that they have had some issues maybe with some vendors in the past where you're looking at an invoice and looking at everything that they're billing for, but your confidence level based on space temps or other system performance metrics is pretty low, right? So this gives you an opportunity to look and verify that the work was done, and gives you an opportunity to catch when maybe something didn't get done correctly. Maybe there were 6 filter changes that needed to happen, but somehow they only got to 5, right? So this allows you to pinpoint, what didn't get done based on the metrics from how the system's operating, and gives you the opportunity to kind of catch those things. More importantly than before paying the invoice, you can catch it before a system failure,